Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing a tutorial on how to create a YouTube thumbnail. I am actually using two major apps to create my thumbnail. So first, we have to download it on the App Store or Play Store. It's available for Android and iOS. So we need to have the app called YT Studio. Okay, so let us search for YT Studio. If you have a YouTube channel, it's very important that you also download this application, the YT Studio. Okay, so I have already downloaded the app. I'll just have to update it. So while downloading the updated version, let's go and proceed to search on the next app that I'm using. So it is called PicMonkey. Right. So there, I have already downloaded the app as well, so just need to update it. I'm actually using this application for quite some time now. It's very useful, not just by editing the photos for my thumbnails, because I really love editing photos, putting some text on photos. It's very easy and convenient to use, though I know there are other applications wherein we can edit photos, but it's up to you guys. If you are already using other editing application for your thumbnails, you can actually comment it down below so that we would know what editing apps you are using, and also the viewers, so that they have other choices if ever this one doesn't work best for them. So now let's go ahead and edit the photo that we will be using as thumbnail for our new YouTube video. So just click the app and click on edit a photo. Or if you don't have any photo to be edited, you can click on blank canvas. Okay, so I'll just search for the photo that I wanted to edit. Alright, so this one. So the title of my YouTube video for this recipe is actually kangkong and kikiam in oyster sauce. Okay, so I'll be adding a text on the photo. Just type it in. Okay, in oyster sauce. There. So once you have typed in the text, you can choose what color you wanted. So I'm not really an expert on editing photos, so as much as possible I make it as simple as I can. So as you can see, I'm just editing a photo, putting a text on it. Then right after that, I'll be clicking on crop, because I'll be choosing the size of the picture where I'll be using it. So it's for the thumbnail for YouTube. So they have the sizes already for which website you are gonna use it. Okay, so let's just make little adjustments. So once done, just click on the check icon on the upper right hand part of the screen. Then click on save and then camera roll. Okay, so now let's check it on our camera roll or gallery if it's already saved there. So here it is. So now what we are gonna do is to upload it to YT Studio. Let's now go ahead and open the YT Studio app. So this is the icon for YT Studio. Just click on it, and this is the interface. So the first part that you will be seeing is the dashboard. So from here, we can see the most recent video that we have uploaded, which is kangkong and kikiam in oyster sauce. So just click on it, and then click on the pencil icon on the upper right hand part, then edit thumbnail. So since that we wanted to use the edited photo, let's click on custom thumbnail. Just make sure that your account is already verified so that we can use this function. So just click on it and then find the photo that we'll be using as thumbnail, and then select, then save. So once it has completely saved, it will become the thumbnail of your YouTube video. So there, the thumbnail is already updated. So we can go back to the previous page and check on the thumbnail if it's already updated. So as we can see, the thumbnail has been updated. So now let's go ahead and check it from the YouTube app. It should be automatically updated from YT Studio and YouTube app. So let's check the videos, or the video for kangkong and kikiam in oyster sauce. Alright, so as we can see, the video, the thumbnail is already updated. So there. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope to see you on my next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.